Green iguanas sneeze, but not because they are sick. That's because they eat algae underwater, and the water they swallow has salt in it. When they come back to land, they need to get rid of the salt. They have special glands that help them do this. The glands make the salt come out of the iguana's nose when it sneezes.